Hey guys, Booting Tutorials here, and I'm bringing you another booter, except this one is more advanced than all the other ones I've done in the past. It is the XR Booter 3.5. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is download WinRAR, which will be in description, and the .rar file, which is in description as well. Alright, so once you have WinRAR, you want to download it and open it up. Take all the files inside of there, extract them to your desktop. You know, you can just position them where you want, put them in folders, your choice. And you'll see the 3.5 bot passwords .text. Password is nulled and 01D. That is the guy who had cracked this. So I'm going to open up the RAR file. Go to extract them to desktop. Enter the password. Okay, that's what you need to do as well. And you don't need to, it's your choice, but you could just throw out the bot.rar file. I usually don't, but since this is not my actual collection, I'm going to. Alright, and you are first off going to want to go to the XR offline server, right click it, go down, click properties, compatibility. Make sure run this program as an administrator is checked off. You want it to be checked or else this will not work. Click OK. And you want to do the same for the host booter v3.5.0. Check it off, run this program as administrator, and click OK. So you run the XR offline server, and while that's opening up, go to run cmd, type in ipconfig. Alright, now here you're going to need your IPv4 address, which you could scroll to the top and find. Mine is 192.168.1.101. This is who's going to be registered to. I'm going to make my booting tutorials. This is your This is your no-ip.info. So I am going to go make one really quick, and I will be right back. Alright, I just created bt1.no-ip.info, and this is a port that you could just change, put it on a port that you already have forwarded. I have my port range is forwarded from 3174 to 3176, so I'm fine with that. Then you want to click write DNS to bot. Pretty much what you're going to do is select your bot that you want to use, 3.5 or 3.5.1. There's not really a difference, they're pretty much the same thing. I'm going to choose 5.1. And it'll say bot DNS encrypted. That does not mean that it's FUD, it just means that the no IP has been injected into it. So I recommend that you rename this, you don't have to. So I'm going to rename mine. Oh, and letting you know, after this I am going to delete this no IP, and I will not be infected on it anymore, so no really point in trying to get it. Alright, so once you put in all this info here, you want to click enable server, and then you want to open up the host booter v3.5.0. Give it a second, and it should say cracked at the bottom, listening on the port you selected, registered to whatever name you put down there. And you want to spread around your bot, and every time someone downloads it and runs it, it will disappear on their computer. And wait, you have to have your port forwarded for this, and there I am. Now you do have multiple tools for this. It's pretty cool. You can right click, single command, make them execute something, change the host, close, refresh, uninstall them, multi-command, do the same thing. You could update them all. Menu, you could select a certain number of connections, it'll just select all of them. And that's what happens when you X out of that. Okay, YouTube, well, I hope that this tutorial helped you out, guys. I hope you guys download this, because this is actually my favorite host booter right now. If anybody has any host booters that are custom made, or they just want me to try to get and review, I will try to get them the best I can. I'm not going to guarantee anything, but I will review them, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, YouTube.